Listen, offshore riding is the most challenging, most rewarding jet skiing that I've ever done. Stand-up riders will tell you stand-up riding is the best jet ski riding you'll do. People who go 20 miles an hour in a group full of friends who stop every 20 minutes to smoke cigarettes will say that's their favorite. So it's coming out of a biased mouth. But all that being said, if you go out and you're not interested in victory at sea level riding, going out into the open ocean, crossing 26 miles of open channel, pulling up to Catalina Island, riding up to the dock, tying up, and having the dock master look at you and go, dude, you got stones. That's rad. You'll be like, yeah, that is rad. I feel pretty good about myself. And that's rewarding. Okay? Because there's not a lot of people who say they can do it. There's not a lot of people who do it. Everyone says, I want to do the Bimini ride. And I'll tell you what, dude, he won't say it, but I sure as hell will. Tim McKercher stopped doing the Bimini ride and taking people out there because the people who showed up who said, I want to do it, were jackwagons, were complete and total clowns. These guys showed up on freaking SPX two-strokes that are all clapped out garbage. They didn't have any of their stuff prepared. They didn't have any consideration for fuel. They're like, I can go 50 miles. No, you can't. Yeah, I can. No, you can't. You never have and you never will. That thing will not make it. And so he's like, I can't deal with these idiots anymore. I can't. And he stopped doing it. He'll never say it because he's a nice guy. I'll say it because I don't care anymore. But if he's sitting there wringing his hands going, don't. You want to know why? You're going to lose your nerve halfway out. And the worst thing you can do is lose your shit in the open ocean and go, I can't find my bearings. I'm scared of going further. I don't want to go fast. Whether you think you can't or whether you think you can, you're both right. It's mind over matter, man. You make the decision. You decide. You decide now. I'm going to do it. Okay. Plan accordingly and go.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.